welcome to another video. Okay, today's look is a rose gold inspired look. There's a little bit of color. My last look was really colorful, so for persons who are not into so much color, or they're not, they're not a fan of the color thing, then this is a perfect look. There's a little bit of orange in there, but as I said before, it's a rose gold inspired look. It's a great look for dark skin. I think this rose gold is giving me all type of glowy vibe. Like I just feel like my skin is glowing. As per usual, when I'm doing more like colorful looks, I tend to go a little bit soft and subtle on the lips. So that's what I did today for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Okay, so to get started on the rose gold eyeshadow look, I'm gonna first prime my lips with my Fawn LA Girl concealer. I do this in almost every video. I'm comfortable with this concealer. However, for this look, as you go along, I'm gonna tell you guys. For this look, I wasn't so comfortable using the Fawn. I probably should have used a different primer or a different concealer, and I'll tell you guys why. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to add to my lid, this is sort of my transition shade, and this is orange from the Juvia's Place Zulu. Yes, Juvia's Place Zulu palette. This is orange. I'm just gonna go basically. What's wrong with my tongue today? I'm basically going to use this as a transition color on both lids. Okay, so to basically blend out that transition color, I'm using the yellow from the same Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and this is basically just going to create a nice blended look between the transition shade and my kind of brow bone shade. But yeah, it's just to basically blend it out so it doesn't look as flat. Right here I'm adding the brown from the Juvia's Place palette. This is just to darken up my crease, and after I added the brown, I realized that it wasn't dark enough. It didn't give me that, I don't know, that nice intense crease color that I wanted. And so yeah, I'm doing it right here. I went in with a little bit of the black from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. That's the only color I use some, but any black color would do. just to darken up my crease a bit. Not too black, but just mix the black with the brown to get it deeper than it was before. Throughout the entire video, I keep going back with my orange and my yellow just so I don't lose them in everything else that I'm doing. So, and it's good for blending also. Right here, I'm just starting to cut my crease. I actually made a little mistake on, I think it was my second lid. This lid worked great, but I made a mistake on my second lid. But it wasn't that visible. And I'm going really slow, trying to cut my crease. Still haven't found the perfect crease cutting brush, but I'm using what I have so far, and as soon as I experiment and I get better at it, I'll share it with you guys so you guys can know what's the perfect, at least in my opinion, crease cutting brush. Okay, so right here I'm actually adding the brown from the Zulu palette into the corner of my eyes. This is just to darken them up a bit. Okay, so right here I'm adding the rose gold color from the Zulu palette. Basically most of the eyeshadows, if not all of them, that I'm using today is from the Zulu palette. So this could be a one palette eyeshadow look. Okay, so right here I am just lining my lids. No wing, nothing too fancy. I did try, however, to get the wing a little bit chunkier than I normally would wear it. That is, I'm starting really thin in the inner corner and kind of getting it thicker. And I'm thinking that this is a look I could try in a more dramatic way. So look out for that in future videos coming, because I really like how that actually looks. So right here I'm just using the black shadow that I used to actually blend the ends of the liner with my black shadow or brown shadow that I had before. And as you guys know, lashes is a must. So I'm gonna put on my lashes off camera. That's because, as I mentioned to you guys before, I haven't perfected putting on my lashes on camera to ensure I'm in focus while putting on, but I will definitely. You know what, you guys in the comment section, let me know if you want to see how I put on my lashes on camera, if you want me to give you a lash tutorial. Yeah, so comment down below in the comment section if you guys want to see that. Right here, just putting on my foundation. You guys already know what's going on here. Right now I'm applying my concealer in the shade Fawn. Yeah, I've done this step before, so you guys know what's up. So I'm just gonna allow you guys to see what I'm doing and not talk too much. Okay, so guys, what I did not get a chance to film was me setting my face after highlighting with my Sacha Buttercup, as well as contouring Yes, so setting my face on contour and I did not get to film. Alright, so I actually did a little bit of contour off camera, but you guys have seen me contour before. Right now I'm just lining my waterline with this black eyeliner. I'm doing it for both. And I did attempt to do a different look, but it wasn't working out. I didn't like how it came off, so I said, you know what, let me just stick to the black eyeliner and just make it do its thing. Right now I'm putting on a little bit of blush, and let me just say I'm a sucker for orange blush. Whoa, but that was too much, so I'm blending it out. But I'm a sucker for orange blush. This is the same orange eyeshadow from the Zulu palette I use as a blush. Even without not doing this look, I use it as a blush. I love it as a blush. So guys, this is the end of the rose gold eyeshadow look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video, share it, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.